floor.
Good afternoon. I am Kristin Dwyer, representing the Delaware State Education Association. In years past, I've presented at this hearing a laundry list of items our members and our executive board want to have funded. This year, we are making one ask: raise educator salaries, starting with teachers and specialists in fiscal year 24, ahead of schedule outlined in Senate Bill 100. In order for Delaware to even come close to being competitive regionally and considering our current revenue streams, the state needs 3 to 4 years to roll out meaningful and competitive raises for the educators who have the most impact on student instruction and student support. But yesterday, the Public Education Compensation Committee flat out rejected working with the governor's office to begin the process of raising teacher and specialist salaries. In short, because the proposal DSEA put forward did not include a salary increase for school administrators. For those of you who are not aware of the current staffing crisis, here are some quick stats from Join Delaware Schools. 82 elementary school teacher vacancies, 84 middle school teacher vacancies, 95 high school teacher vacancies, 9 early childhood education teacher vacancies, 93 student support service vacancies. They are our OTs, our PTs, our school psychs, our nurses, and 4 administration vacancies. 4 vacancies in administration. 4. Furthermore, the average starting salary for a teacher is just $43,000, and the average salary for all teachers is $65,000. And for administrators, the average is over $100,000, with some of them making more than $150,000. And to say administrators must be included in any compensation reform efforts at this time is a failure to address the real staffing problems in Delaware schools. There has been no data shared with the committee that shows a shortage of administrators in Delaware. Additionally, there is no data to show that administrators are underpaid for their work. But DSEA has shared how short Delaware falls in salaries compared to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Maryland. We have presented public data on the number of vacancies. What we haven't shown is the workload of our teachers and specialists. We haven't shown the faces of burnout. We haven't shown you the master's degree level professionals who can't afford rent, a mortgage, to pay down their student loans or groceries for their families. We haven't shown you how class sizes have ballooned. We haven't shown you educators who feel under these staffing conditions they cannot meet the needs of their special education students. We haven't shown the educators who are actively looking for more meaningful employment elsewhere. Maybe we should. If the committee would like to increase compensation for administrators, it does not need to be the same increase that is being considered for teachers. Making the increases identical does nothing to incentivize teachers and specialists to remain in their current roles. It would continue the trend of our best educators having to leave the classroom in order to make more money. Instead, PECC members representing school administration insist that the committee must create a comprehensive plan that addresses all education professionals before the committee can take action to curb the exodus of teachers. The truth is, the committee can and should make recommendations to slow attrition rates of teachers as well as specialists. Schools exist to provide students with a safe environment to learn. Without teachers in our classrooms or specialists in our schools, that is not possible. If we continue to wait until a comprehensive plan is put together, we will miss another opportunity during hiring season in the spring of 2023 to attract educators to Delaware. The state of Delaware cannot afford to nickel and dime our way out of this problem by placating everyone in the system with 1% to 2% raises. For far too long, we've ignored fair compensation for our teachers and specialists, and we are now living out the disastrous results of those actions. Too many students across our states do not have fully licensed and certified teachers providing daily instruction. Instead, we're relying on a depleted pool of substitute teachers or seeing instruction delivered virtually. We have an educator workforce that is already overwhelmed, having to take on more and more as they see their colleagues leaving the profession. Our members have been very clear in their ask to us to raise their base salaries, stop taking advantage of their calling, stop putting highly paid administrators first, and stop grossly underpaying them for a job they can easily make more in just a few miles across the Delaware and Maryland line. Thank you for your consideration.
Thank you for your comment, Ms. Dwyer. Do we have anyone else virtually who would like to provide comment? Please raise your hand.